Yeah, I think in fact a lot of the success of Cocktail and for the way that people are saying that I'm looking in the movie is all thanks to Pooja, who's made me look so wonderful. And so I think it's with the help of Pooja and my trainer Yasmin Karachiwala who got me into that shape. And touch wood, today is a Sunday and the collections for Friday and Saturday have been outstanding. And I mean, it's really overwhelming the kind of response that the film is getting and that I've been getting for my performance. So it's a good feeling. And he's back, ladies and gentlemen. When we were doing promotions and when we were talking about the movie, and I kept saying to everyone that I've put in a lot of heart and soul into making this movie, and it not only was physically challenging for me but also mentally and emotionally draining. And it's a film that actually took me a lot of time personally to get out of that character, especially because of the second half and those kind of scenes. And I kept saying that I hope that when the audience goes into a theatre, they sort of understand and feel what Veronica goes through. And I'm so glad that today people have appreciated my performance so much. But most importantly, I think the kind of appreciation that I'm getting from my fans to begin with, but also from the industry. I mean, it's really, I never expected this. It's very, very overwhelming. And a lot of my contemporaries have actually messaged me. A lot of my senior co-stars and senior actresses have also messaged me. And I think when contemporaries message you, I think that is, that's a really nice feeling.
Well, always my one mantra is it's only one. You have to eat, and only then can you be fit. Starvation is a concept that is outdated, and a principle that says you need to starve to be fit or starve to be thin is completely the reverse way of doing it the right way. So if you want to do it once and you want to do it the last time around, make sure you eat and feed your body so that your body is fit and as a side effect thin.
I think actors are always in a bad phase of regarding fitness regime is concerned, because constant travel happens. There's constant schedule up and down. Sometimes you're shooting all nights, sometimes you're shooting days. I mean, it keeps fluctuating, so there's not a certain cycle or a routine that you manage. And that's where I think people, and especially where Pooja has stepped in for me at least, there was a phase where I had to gain a lot of weight for one of my films, and I went to her in major desperation, because I had to cut down for the next film, and I had a gap of around 4 or 5 months only. But the good thing is she never cut me down with my food. She made sure that I ate double, and I think that's where I'm very happy about being associated with her. And as far as fitness regime is concerned, I work out like 4 times a week on weight training, cardio, and I try and take a day off, just to get back into rest mode. Yeah.
Pooja's a wonderful combination of being strict and at the same time very protective of you. I think she takes very good care of your body, and being a Punjabi, it's extremely difficult to stay fit and thin. So it has to be a combination of exercise and of the right kind of eating. I think for me, the biggest thing she's taught me is to eat every 2 hours and make that my mantra. So I follow that. In fact, it's nearly time for me to go eat now. I've come just in time for lunch.
What's a crazy?
Well, I've heard about the book, and about fitness, I would just say it's a lifestyle, and I don't believe in any starvation or crash diets, because at the end of the day, it shows on your skin or your health. So for me, it would just be a way of life, and weight loss would be a byproduct. About Pooja Makhija, I know Pooja for a long time. In fact, I have consulted her earlier. It's really nice to see the way the health culture is in and how people are taking to it. I think we all need to start living a very healthy life. In that manner, even our lifespan would extend. And I think you just feel great when you're healthy. It just shows. You don't have to apply things on your hair and your body and your face if you really eat healthy. It just shows. Your skin just glows and you just feel good.